provided by Wasatch Builders and Repair.
With the growing population in our state, purchasing a home comes with its challenges, but luckily there are companies such as Utah Home Sweet Home that specialize in making sure families get into their dream residence. Take a look.
If you are in the market for a new home, then you are probably finding out that it's a tricky time to be shopping, but hope is not lost.
Yes.
Thanks to Yoshi of Utah Home Sweet Homes.
Thank you.
We happen to be in one that is available today. Tell me about this place.
Yes, so this home is literally available as we speak. It's on the market. I want to thank Trevor Thompson and William Wall for allowing us to share it and show their beautiful listing. This home was recently remodeled, brand new kitchen, quartz countertops, new shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances. The bathrooms have been done, beautiful laminate flooring. This home is absolutely gorgeous, and $319,000. And Trevor shared with me that there's already almost 30 offers on this property. So it's super competitive, but you can see when you've got a gorgeous product, it goes quick.
Well, I love the space, perfect for a small family right here in Roy, Utah. That price unheard of right now.
Yes.
So all the offers rolling in, of course, who doesn't want to get in here?
Seriously.
So let's dive into that.
Yes.
Everybody wants it. Very competitive. How do we stand apart?
Super competitive. So I'm going to share 4 components of the contract that people may want to consider playing around with when they go out there and to submit their offer. We're going to talk about due diligence, the purchase price, earnest money, and appraisal. Now, I'll usually tell people if this is the home you have to have, this is it, it's brand new, you want to raise your kids here, you want to live here happily ever after, then you're going to want to consider making the strongest offer possible. Now, keep in mind, the stronger your offer is, usually the more risk you're putting yourself in because you're giving up something in that contract to make your stronger offer to the seller. So let's start with earnest money. Gone are the days here in small town Salt Lake City when you could put $500 earnest money on a contract, right? I think the people from California, Oregon, Portland, Seattle all ruined that. Now you're seeing the offers that are competitive are traditionally about 2% of the purchase price. So if you're at $500,000, you're putting about 10 grand as earnest money. The second thing is the purchase price. Purchase price is obviously very important. It's still the main key component, always will be the main key component of a seller, what they'll look at to see how much they're gonna get for the sale of their home. The other is due diligence. You're seeing buyers waive their due diligence now. Due diligence is the period where you'll typically go and get your home inspection, you'll do research on the community, the neighborhood, the school district, and if you decide you still wanna buy the home, you move forward and get your appraisal. However, people are waiving this due diligence. This is the period that if you decide, this home isn't for me, you can cancel your contract legally and get your earnest money back. That $10,000, right? You can get that back. Well, people are now waiving that due diligence to make their offer stronger, saying, hey, listen, this is how happy I am with the home. I'm not gonna back out, I'm fully committed. And then as far as appraisal, people are submitting way over asking price, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, even 60, 70,000 over asking price. So if these homes don't appraise for the contract price because they're so far over the asking price, these buyers are willing to bring the extra amount to the closing table. So if it appraises for 20,000 under the purchase price, the buyer's willing to bring that extra 20,000 to make the difference. So if you're going to make this home your dream home, or whatever home you want, your dream home, you're going to want to consider playing with those components to make your offer as strong as possible. But again, keep in mind, the stronger your offer is to the seller, the more risk you are potentially putting on yourself. So there's got to be that balance. Is this home totally worth it?
So some risk, but also potentially such a reward. Yoshi, you're so knowledgeable. You can help based on the individual, talk them through, see what plan is right for them, and still make it happen. Tell everybody where to find Utah Home Sweet Home.
Yes, you can find us at utahhomesweethome.com, or you can call me at 801-810-4475.
You're in good hands with him. Always love chatting with you.
Likewise, thank you.
Thank you, Dina. All right, so we've talked homes. Up next, we're talking about roofing options, Brian.
And then still ahead, a Utah car dealership giving back in a big way. Here, you can help them find their next good deed. But first, here's what's coming up on the rest of the show, including a touching moment between a mom and a gorilla.